The teacher taught the students a lesson. She bought a new dress for the party. We had a picnic in the park. The children played outside after lunch. I learned a new song on my guitar. The chef cooked a delicious meal for us. He climbed to the top of the mountain. We went to the museum last week. The baby cried all night. She brushes her hair every morning. They drove to the concert together. I watched the news on TV. The sun rises early in the morning. She closed the window before leaving. We missed the train by just a few minutes. He drinks his favorite coffee every day. The children went to bed early tonight. She took a picture of her family. The wind blew through the trees. They knew the answer to the question.